the knowledge, skills, and abilities, often referred to as the KSA model, was originally developed by the U.S. federal government as a structured framework for hiring and workforce planning. Today, it's widely used in human resources to guide not only hiring decisions, but also training and employee development. The KSA model helps organizations clearly define what employees need to succeed and provides a strong foundation for intentional, targeted learning. In HR, the KSA model serves multiple purposes. It helps define job requirements, evaluate candidates, and identify gaps in performance or readiness. Most importantly, it allows HR teams to design training and development programs that are directly aligned with real job expectations, rather than relying on generic or one-size-fits-all training. Knowledge refers to an employee's understanding of concepts, information, and processes related to their role. This includes policies, procedures, and theoretical foundations. Knowledge answers the question, what does this employee need to understand in order to perform effectively? Training focused on knowledge often includes instruction, reading, and guided learning. Skills reflect how employees apply what they know. They are developed through practice, experience, and repetition. Skills answer the question, what must the employee be able to do? Skill development often involves demonstrations, simulations, practice exercises, and on-the-job learning. Abilities are the personal traits or natural capacities an employee brings to the role. These may include things like time management, adaptability, organization, or problem solving. While abilities can be strengthened over time, they are often more intrinsic and influence how easily an employee develops certain skills. When designing training programs, HR teams can use the KSA framework to clearly identify what a role requires and where development is needed. By separating expectations into knowledge, skills, and abilities, training becomes more focused, intentional, and effective, addressing the right gaps at the right time. Let's look at how the KSA model can be applied in practice. Imagine an organization is developing a training plan for a new shift manager role. Before designing training, HR first identifies what success looks like in this position by outlining the required knowledge, skills, and abilities. From a knowledge perspective, a shift manager must understand inventory management, scheduling practices, and day-to-day operational procedures. This foundational knowledge ensures the manager understands how the operation functions and what is expected in the role. Next, HR identifies the skills required for success. In this case, the manager must be able to operate inventory systems and use tools like spreadsheets to create schedules. These skills require hands-on training, practice, and opportunities to apply learning in real scenarios. Finally, the role requires certain abilities, such as strong organizational skills and effective time management. These abilities influence how well the manager balances responsibilities, prioritizes tasks, and supports their team, especially during busy or high-pressure periods. By clearly identifying the knowledge, skills, and abilities required for a role, HR teams can design training that is purposeful and aligned with real job demands. The KSA model helps ensure employees are not only trained, but truly prepared to succeed.